Holy crap. Now I am scared. Yo, oh my God. Y'all, this is Hurricane Ian up on our footsteps, y'all. That is a lake, and it is, oh my God, it is right there. I can see where we're at with this Hurricane Ian or around our area. I'm scared. I'm really scared, y'all. Winds are crazy right now. Dang, yo, the rain is Yo, the duck is swimming on the grass. Oh my. I had to wake Sev up, yo, because I'm scared, y'all. I had to wake Sev up to see. Look. It's like, I feel like Titanic. Y'all, I'm so sorry for the people on the first floor. Sorry. Do you see that? Babe, don't mind me, y'all. We literally just woke up. It says reaction when he sees where the water is at. I'm trying to get y'all a better view too. Look at that. Yo, do you see that? The water is like right there, y'all.
That means the fish out here swimming.
Yeah, the ducks is on top of the fucking grass. So I could just imagine. You can't even see it.
Probably flooded because we got that pond.
But we live on the 3rd floor, y'all. Thank God for that. But the only thing we scared about is our car. I want to go check the car a bit. Damn. Look, you can see the water, how high it is on the. Y'all, this is all covered in water. I wish I could hold on. To get closer, to turn the flash on. There. Look where the water's at. Oh my God.
Oh, this is way better. The wind's calmed down.
I'm trying to get a clear view for you of our car. Dang, y'all. Look at this guy. It's currently like 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. I'll give y'all an update. And like when the sun comes up, when everybody's walking outside, seeing what the heck happened. Y'all be safe. Stay safe. Look, y'all, I'm coming to show y'all. Look.
Stuck. You try to save my car.
Alright, y'all. Y'all see how the water is right now. This is. You see Sev here about to go move the car because, as y'all see, with the sun coming up.
Oh, this is like the Titanic, y'all. Oh, this is like the Titanic, y'all.
He got to step in that. Yo, and it went up even more since we came.
Oh, that's scary and scary. Good shit.
If you
Damn.
I didn't think it was this high up, babe. That's probably gonna hit the engine. You're probably gonna have to move the car.
Gotta move it.
Yeah, I didn't think it was that high up.
So you got to do this right now.
Yeah, that's what we're here for.
Oh my fucking God.
It's cold.
I can't believe it. Like, I was Jersey nigga. Ah, shit. Wait, should I try to keep the phone on? Take the journey?
I think so.
It's wavy now.
It's waves coming in. I don't know, babe. At this point,
there's no way to hit an engine right there, but I don't know about.
I don't know,
I
babe.
think y'all back it out and just reverse it.
I think you should just try. See if it turns on.
You got to try?
Yeah. Okay, go, baby. Go, baby. Go.
My baby said you got to try.
Don't let go of the car keys. And don't let go of your phone. Oh, it's cold as hell, huh?
We down there. We down there. Oh my God, we down there, y'all.
Be careful with the grass. Oh, yeah. Hurricane guy. He said he lived here 20 years and he's never seen it like this. It's crazy. Eso lo que... Oh man. Okay. Gracias. Let's translate that to English. He said if we have to leave, watch our steps because the snakes come out right now. I'm not sure where Sag went. He probably went to go see the complex, how it was and stuff. But the maintenance guy said that like he's lived here for 20 years and he's never seen the lake come out or it be this high. Like this is the worst he's seen it. So, y'all stay posted, y'all, because we don't know how we gonna get through this one. We've lived in Florida for a good time, like the same time period, and they always like over exaggerate hurricanes. This one hit different. This one hit different for a lot of people. So y'all keep Orlando in your prayers. You wanna go swimming?
No.
You see it?
No.
Good morning.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah. I think it's big water in there.
Yeah, it's a big water.
Yeah.
You ain't got no shoes on. Hold on.
A big puddle in the grass.
You can't even see the grass.
Yeah, it's right there.
But it's all under the water.
Let's go look at it. Let's go see what it looks like.
Look at the pond, Gigi.
Look. And there's out there.
You see the ducks? They're all over the place.
Yeah,
You see it, Gigi?
they do.
Look.
Yeah.
Like, oh, yeah.
A duck there over there.
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah.
Look down.
Yeah, they in now.
You see it? Y'all, it's getting serious out here on our side. Because trees is falling, blocking roads already just in our complex alone. So, yeah, stay safe, y'all. Llamas is out. We out.
Well, that's where we going.
Sorry, I'm really scared. The water is like right there. We gotta take out, bro. We've been through like mad hurricanes together. And this ain't safe where we at. We gotta go.
This definitely not safe.
Oh my God, look, I think you should have went around, babe. Look at the signs.
I should have went around.
Yeah. Oh, see, but it's okay, just keep going straight. Yeah, see there's trees and shit in here. God help us get. We'll keep y'all updated, y'all. We gotta. My nerves are not too far right now.
We stuck in the ocean.
No, we not in no ocean, son. We getting out the ocean. Y'all, we is not. Yo, we leaving out, y'all, because this is just like now. It's just the wind is blowing crazy, and look, and it's true what they said. They told us that we were going like we're flooding in the back of our complex, but out here is like not that much water. Yeah, stay tuned, Llama. See where we're gonna be headed at next.
I want my tablet.
Once the Llamas update, we've tried like 5 different routes to get to our destination, and literally every route is flooded. So we also trying to find something that's open, and I guess nobody's open at all.
Let me know if the apocalypse came, we'd be messed up.
Right, for real, because
We'd be messed up if the apocalypse came into.
but y'all stay with us. Like we just driving around where to go. Nation. Somehow, some way, we'll get there. We got people out here with kayaks, y'all. They're literally out here with kayaks. Oh, we can't see it that well. Yo, look at that over there, y'all. block party going on out here. Lord have mercy. Oh, this is crazy. I'll close my window. They close my window. Close it. I'm like scared. Trying to see how this is now. I don't know, man. We alright? We alright. This is like, y'all, this is what's going on right now. These people are completely stuck in their house. Yo, this is crazy.
Yo, this is crazy. You got my hand on crazy.
Babe, I just want to make sure the car just keeps going.
That Corolla made it through. We can make
Papa, you see it?
Yeah.
It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
It's okay. Don't be scared, Papa.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
That's right. Mommy gets scared, not you.
Yeah, I do tough.
You tough?
Yeah.
Okay, baby.
See, they look so cute. They don't.
You gotta get it. Babe, watch it.
They're so cute.
They evacuating from their home. They're completely underwater, yo. Like, this is right down the block. Watch it, baby. No, where you going? Straight. No. Oh my God. Yo, I'll get back to y'all because my nerves are like shot right now. This is crazy. Yo, we are stuck, y'all.
Not down there. Are you in here? Your down look better?
Well, that way.
What you mean?
That way is the picture.
That's actually a good point. If I regenerate
Yo,
it
they
now,
out here
and it's
just like.
oh, hang on a minute. I've just realised I have another mod assigned to the same key that moves fires. So yeah.
It
Also,
turned
the
off
roof
on
is
him.
still there, but another roof is going to generate over it. Also, can I continue?
That's what we're scared to have.
It's fine. Means it's good. It's actually kind of interesting because in my hand right now, I am holding.
This is crazy, y'all. We just trying to go get some coffee. We're gonna have to walk to the store.